everybody. I'm first going to give you a timestamp here. Let me try that again. 8:58 on Wednesday, November 28th, 2012. And it's the full moon. That's Mountain Standard Time, by the way. And my eyes, they don't look that close. I believe that's Jupiter, and I'm going to show you a couple of websites. I'm not really looking at the planet. I'm not taking this shot to zoom in. I want to say real quick what I'm thinking here. I'm going to get up in the morning. Not even going to take into consideration which direction I'm facing as I'm shooting this necessarily. What I want you to think about is where that planet is in relation to the moon. And I can zoom in on it too. This tripod, even though it's a good tripod, doesn't do good for sky shots. Anyway, the thought is I'm going to get up in the morning and see where that is in comparison to the moon. Now, if it's a star or a planet, it would not be in the same place in relation to the moon, right? I hope you're getting all this. I don't know. I'm developing a nervous laugh. Have you noticed? It's not funny. And I don't mean to laugh. But it seems really odd to me. That to me would mean something else. So we'll talk more in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's about 5:30 a.m. Mountain Standard. I'm looking at the moon by this star. And they're still together. Not as close. It's going behind some clouds. And I'm just want to hear what you guys think about how those two, the moon and a planet, could go across the horizon in our view and stay together. It doesn't make sense to me. But I'm sure you guys will be able to help me out on that. Well, this camera doesn't zoom near as good. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I want to hear what you have to say. Okay, this is Naked Eye planets.com. And go down here and you can pick a planet you want to look at. So we'll pick Jupiter. And this right here. See what it looks like. And love God. It says Jupiter appears bright white and is very obvious sight in the sky. Like Venus, it can be seen in twilight. And it always shines brighter than the brightest star in the sky. Sirius, magnitude minus 1.46. Viewed from Earth, Jupiter is seen to move about one zodiac constellation each year. Okay. Tells, let's see, like Venus, Jupiter can also cast a faint shadow at night when it's shining brightest and is observed under very dark skies. Both Jupiter and Venus, let me show you this real quick. And go to Venus. Now Venus looks like that. The goddess of love. Now, I'm gonna let's see. When it comes closer to Earth than any other planet, to within 26 million miles, its brilliance is largely due to the high reflectivity, albedo, of its clouds, which perpetually obscure the view of the planet's extremely hot surface. Tells that both Venus and Pluto have shadows that can be seen with a telescope. So I would imagine that's the spot we're seeing by Venus. So you can go to any of these planets here and get the same how it looks from the sky. See? Okay, I'll show you another site. Okay, here's the moon rise and set times. Right now we'll do, here's the moon, and we'll do it on the 28th of November in Colorado Springs. Okay, so we get on the 28th of November, the moon rises. It's 16:55, and it'll set at 6:56 this morning. Okay, and then you can change this to Jupiter. And we get the rise of Jupiter about the same time as the moon, and it sets 7:27. So that makes me think, yes, that is Jupiter that we're looking at. And we'll just do Venus real quick. rises at 4:31 and sets at 15:14. So that's not Venus that we're looking at. That is, I would say, Jupiter for sure.